Cryptography, the practice of secure communication through the use of codes and ciphers, has a rich and fascinating history that spans thousands of years. From ancient times to the modern era, cryptography has played a vital role in protecting sensitive information, conducting warfare, and even shaping the course of history. Let's take a journey through the history of cryptography and explore some of its most significant milestones. Ancient beginnings. Cryptography has roots in ancient civilizations such as Egypt, where hieroglyphs and other symbols were used to encode messages. The ancient Greeks also employed various methods of secret writing, including the skytale, a cylinder used to wrap a strip of parchment for encryption. Caesar's cipher. One of the earliest known ciphers is attributed to Julius Caesar. The Caesar cipher involves shifting each letter in the alphabet by a fixed number of positions. For example, shifting each letter 3 positions results in A becoming D, B becoming E, and so on. Middle Ages and Renaissance. During the Middle Ages, cryptography saw advancements in the form of polyalphabetic ciphers, which used multiple alphabets to make encryption more secure. Notable examples include the Vigenère cipher, invented by Blaise de Vigenère in the 16th century, the Enigma machine. In the early 20th century, the Enigma machine revolutionized cryptography. Developed by German engineer Arthur Scherbius, the Enigma machine was a complex electromechanical device used by the military to encrypt and decrypt messages. Breaking Enigma's codes played a crucial role in World War II and was instrumental in the efforts of the Allied forces. World War II codebreaking. Codebreaking efforts during World War II extended beyond the Enigma machine. British mathematician Alan Turing and his team at Bletchley Park developed the Bombay, a machine that helped decrypt German Enigma messages. This breakthrough significantly influenced the outcome of the war. Public key cryptography. In the 1970s, public key cryptography emerged as a groundbreaking development. Whitfield Diffie, Martin Hellman, and Ralph Merkle independently introduced the concept of asymmetric encryption, enabling secure communication without needing to exchange a secret key beforehand. The RSA algorithm, named after its inventors Ron Rivest, Adi Shamir, and Leonard Adleman, became a widely used encryption method based on this concept.